How to fix login errors on Credit Karma. If you would like to fix login errors on the Credit Karma app, if you're having issues with it, there could be many reasons. First of all, you want to simply go to your app store and just search if your Credit Karma application is actually updated to the latest version. If you see an update button there, make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, you can open settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and then from there you can simply search for Credit Karma. If you are using on Android devices, then you can also just try to reset the data of the Credit Karma app. For iPhone users, you can search for Credit Karma and instead you can choose to offload the app and reinstall the app if that helps you. Now if it's still not being able to log in, then chances are that you are having issues with your login details. So tap on sign in, make sure your email and password, both of them are correct. If you're still not being able to log in, you can see the try another way button, tap on it, and then over here just make sure to enter your email address and then tap on the next option. After you've done that, you should be able to find your account and give you the other options to log into your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.